Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a remarkable blend of power, versatility, and comfort, making it an appealing choice for both commuting and recreational use. With a robust motor offering 4 power settings of 1200W, 800W, 500W, and an eco-friendly mode, it easily adapts to various terrains and rider preferences. One of the standout features of the scooter is its impressive off-road capability, thanks to the 20 tires. These large, rugged tires provide excellent traction and stability, allowing the scooter to navigate through uneven surfaces, gravel paths, and even light mud without compromising performance. Riders can enjoy a smooth ride, whether on city streets or rural trails. With 3 different range options of 15, 25, and 30 miles, the Caroma Peak ensures that users can select the most suitable distance for their journey. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those who may need to travel shorter distances daily, while still having the option for longer excursions. The battery charges relatively quickly, making it convenient for daily use. Comfort is another strong point of the Caroma Peak, especially with its included seat. The seat provides much-needed support for longer rides, allowing users to travel without experiencing fatigue. Additionally, the scooter's design incorporates adjustable handlebars, catering to riders of different heights. The build quality of the scooter is solid, utilizing durable materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use. While it weighs in on the heavier side, the sturdy construction contributes positively to its overall stability and safety. However, potential buyers should keep in mind that the scooter's weight could be a factor when lifting or transporting it. Also, while the performance in off-road conditions is commendable, it may not completely replace a traditional mountain bike for those seeking intense trail riding. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a well-rounded choice for anyone seeking an efficient, comfortable, and capable ride, bridging the gap between casual scooters and more robust off-road vehicles.